So just simply getting older and gravity, those are all things that contribute to an aged appearance. So facelifting is something that we can do to restore your youthfulness and create the ideal appearance for you at your age that we can do at the Krochmal Center for Plastic Surgery. So facelift involves removing the extra skin, lifting the jowls, concealing those scars to make them virtually invisible. Those are very, very powerful techniques to help restore your youth. And we can combine that with neck lifting techniques to tighten up the neck muscles, remove some of the extra skin in the neck as well, do other things such as eyelid surgery. Eyelids are one of the first places that we show our age, so by refreshing and rejuvenating those can really affect somebody's appearance. And adding volume. As we age, we tend to lose volume, so by adding volume back with things like fillers or things like fat grafting, we can restore your youthful appearance.